Hi guys, welcome to DKOO channel.
Today we are going to show you how to cook eggs in 12 ways. I think at least there's one way fit you.
Number 1. Avocado egg.
Number 2. Color bell pepper egg.
Now put some pink salt. If you want taste soft, you can put some milk between. Number 3. Donzoga egg.
Number 4. Egg skewers.
Number 5. Steamed egg. Tastes good.
Number 6. Coconut egg.
Let's check out the coconut style. Joe.
I can smell a little bit coconut. Okay, good.
Number 7, small hole chocolate egg. Open a small hole at the airbag side. We dig a hole at the bigger side. Has this side have the airbag, can let the pressure out.
Charcoal egg with a small hole. This one didn't broken even though the charcoal is hot. The charcoal style with a small hole and a no hole, I think the with small hole will be better. So the pressure can goes out and the charcoal can be, the temperature can be higher, and all of them are success. Number 8, watermelon egg.
Ooh, the temperature is not enough. And the watermelon style is fair. The watermelon is hard to cook stuff. Number 9, soak baked egg.
It's come with little bit salty, so you don't need to add any salt anymore. The salt baked egg tastes very good. Actually tastes the best, but when we outdoor, it's kind of difficult to find a flour mixed with salt. Number 10, stone fried egg.
Number 11, little rock egg.
This 5 eggs is all like as a whole piece, but we wanna check out the inside. It's not ready yet. We need a barbecue for a little bit more time. The little rock egg actually is like we need a very slow cook, because the rock we need to keep heat, because the rock itself cannot make any heat. Number 12, charcoal egg. Yeah, this is the charcoal style. We cooked about 5, and the 3 of them is broken, 2 of them is as whole egg. Let's check them out.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Thank you. If you like to see the more food, please subscribe us and we will keep upload. Thank you.